Something is definitely brewing over at OpenAI, and it feels bigger than just another update. It started with a whisper, a breadcrumb trail that has the tech world buzzing. It was not some cloak and dagger leak from a disgruntled employee. It was a casual post on X from a guy named Atai Aleti on OpenAI's voice team. Someone complained, "We still didn't have a true Omni model." Atai simply asked, "What would you like to see in the new Omni model?" That single post caught fire. Not viral by mainstream standards, but a signal flare in AI circles. Brandon McKenzie said a new Omni model sounds great. Who tonight? It's coming. These are real builders, not random hype. Soon, outlets like The Decoder reported a successor to GPT-4o was on the way. To see why this is big, let's define the Omni model. ChatGPT feels like one entity, but under the hood, you type, you talk, you show images. Often it's stitched systems, text, vision, audio, passing info back and forth. The Omni model changes that. One versatile brain that natively handles everything. Text, images, audio, and video at once. It perceives images directly, not just translating to text. Point at a bird and ask, "What's that song?" It processes sight and sound simultaneously for a precise answer. Imagine top-tier reasoning built with senses from the ground up, not bolted on. The next piece is how we talk to the AI. Today it's turn-based. You speak, pause, it responds. OpenAI's new audio model, BAI, bidirectional, aims to fix this. Now, even an can interrupt and kill the flow. Humans overlap, interject, adapt. BAI targets that. It continuously listens and adjusts in real time when you react. The prototype works, but glitches after a few minutes. Target slipped from early to mid-2026. If it lands, voice AI gets massively more useful. For everyone, especially support. Talking is natural for billions. That's the growth unlock. BAI could be as important as any model upgrade. All signs point to GPT-6. 3 pillars: persistent memory, agentic actions, and native multimodality. First, memory across sessions. It remembers you, from your flight format to names to projects. Second, agency. It can act, not just advise. Book it, send it, schedule it. Third, true Omni, the senses, built in. They interlock. Memory gives context, senses ground actions. GPT-6 ties it all together. That shifts AI from a tool into a partner, and it needs a body. OpenAI isn't just building a brain, it's building the body. A 200-person team is on hardware. First, earbuds, codename Gumdrop. Reported by major outlets, manufacturing talks with Foxconn, a custom 2nm processor for on-device AI. Open style, you hear the world and the assistant. Target, 40 to 50 million units year one. Next, a $200-300 smart speaker with a camera, visual context and Face ID style auth. Glasses in 2028, a lamp prototype under evaluation. Sam Altman teased a screen-free, pocketable device, more peaceful than a phone. Reveal this year, ships after Feb 2027. Hardware is the body, Omni the brain, BAI the voice. So, when do we see it? New core model, new voice system, new devices. Delays happen, but the pieces are aligning. First milestone, infrastructure. Reports. The first gigawatt on NVIDIA's Vera Rubin lights up H2 2026. You don't fire that up unless you're training something massive. Likely GPT-6 developer preview in Q3 or Q4 2026. Public rollout in Q1 2027. Screen-free device revealed H2 2026. Ships after Feb 2027. Could slip to mid-2027. Still, direction is clear. Expect a coordinated wave, late 2026 to early 2027. Building this future isn't cheap. We're talking gigawatts, city-scale data centers. Stargate, a 500B US AI infrastructure vision with SoftBank and Oracle. Jensen Huang estimates 3-4T global AI data center spend by decade's end. NVIDIA's Vera Rubin. Extreme performance, extreme power and cooling. OpenAI's plan could reach $10G, potentially $400B revenue for NVIDIA if built. But the risks are huge. Chips evolve fast, buildings don't. Mismatch risk is real. Oracle's debt and timing windows add pressure. Reports: OpenAI hesitant on Abilene to access newer GPU clusters. So OpenAI shifts toward leasing capacity. Renting offers agility. Upgrade without decades-long lock-in. OpenAI isn't alone. The field is stacked. Titans and startups. Names all over the race. Jensen Huang, Satya Nadella, Sam Altman, Elon Musk, Sundar Pichai. Musk says xAI is rebuilding to catch up by 2026. Anthropic's Claude is praised for thoughtful, safe responses. Google's Gemini pushes multimodal at scale. Microsoft's ecosystem powers enterprise AI. Everyone's carving an edge. Competition drives better, safer, more efficient models. A GPT-6 era with hardware will trigger another innovation wave. A future where AI remembers, acts, and perceives is powerful. Benefits: a truly personal helper. Managing schedules, booking travel, reducing friction. Businesses: smoother customer service. Accessibility: voice unlocks tech for more people. But privacy is critical. This is deeply sensitive data. Who stores it? Who sees it? We need transparency and strong security. Agency risk: mistakes happen. Controls and undo are essential. Past devices show how hard reliable assistants are. Energy use raises environmental concerns. Power can be misused. Misinformation, scams. We need optimism with safeguards. Connect the dots. Omni, BAI, GPT-6, hardware. OpenAI is moving AI from an app to an ambient layer. In your ear, on your counter, eventually on your face. This is the bet after the smartphone. An AI that knows you, acts for you, and sees with you. It's exhilarating, and it demands care. Leaks suggest late 2026 to early 2027. We all have a role in steering this. The next conversation about the future of AI is happening now.